this plastic broke. I decided to change the whole thing because I think that this part is complicated just to replace this. We push those two plastics on one side and just drag the another one out. It's a little bit difficult, but it gets out. So to put it in, you need to go to one side at first, not with the both sides further back, but on the one side, and then push it. Okay, just push backwards, and here it is. It needs to be pushed very backwards. Okay, it works.